Hello YouTube, I hope you're doing fine today. Today we'll see that there was option available in default browser settings previously in Microsoft Internet Edge that you can stop the Internet Explorer redirecting to Microsoft Edge. I've already made a video and I'm getting multiple comments from my subscribers and users that this option is no more available. As of 15 Feb 2023, this option has been vanished from Microsoft, and so there is new alternate available. So let's just not waste more time and get to the computer screen and see how you can fix this issue. First of all, you need to go to Start menu, click Internet Explorer, and you will see a dialog box, this one, and this says that Internet Explorer will be all be in Microsoft Internet Edge. So after that, Internet Explorer will be gone and this will redirect to the Microsoft Edge, as you can see on the screen as well. So in order to fix this, we previously used another option by going into the settings and then going into let Microsoft Edge open the Internet Explorer sites. So right now we'll have to go to the settings after Microsoft Edge opens, then click on the left side default browser option. Alright, once this option opens, then you will get a list over here. There will be option allow sites, then you need to allow it, and under this option there will be option Internet Explorer mode pages. All you need to do is to type the URL over here and click add. Let's suppose I'm adding the wikipedia.com over here. Now I'll copy this URL, open this URL in a new tab, and there will be option on the right side showing Internet Explorer logo. So this site basically loaded in Internet Explorer mode. You can see on the left side over in the address bar that this is loaded in Internet Explorer mode. So you can reload on the right corner here in Microsoft Edge as well. So all those sites you will add here will be loaded in Microsoft Internet Explorer. That's all. It's a new alternate, and now Internet Explorer is gone. If you have liked the video, give a big thumbs up and tell us in the comments from which part of the world you're watching this, and subscribe if you have not yet. Peace. Thank you so much.